There's no better time for this. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I get this question a lot. We're going to answer it today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. Today is going to be one of those very quick tutorials, but it'll be a tutorial that you definitely want to save to a playlist because this is one of those things that you can make over and over and over. And if you're prepping for gift giving or if you're prepping for craft fairs, this is one that you definitely want to save. What is it? So this looks like just a regular old box. And it is a box, but this is a flat fold box. That's the question I get a lot, and there's no better time for us to learn how to make flat fold boxes than now. We're going into gift giving season. A lot of you are doing craft fairs and you want to present some of the things you make in beautiful boxes, and you want to be able to store those flat for transport. Well, I'm going to show you a very quick process on how you can make a flat fold box. Y'all, it's a lot easier than you think. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera, give you a closer look at the ones that I have here, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, friends, so this is going to be more of a process video than an exact measurement video. Now, the box that I make today might be a size that you need, but really we're focused more on the process of making flat fold boxes. And this is the paper that we're going to be using today, but I want to show you what I mean by flat fold boxes. These look just like regular boxes, but we can take these sides and we can fold these in, and we can put these in a bin so that they are flat. They are not like this or this. They are flat, and these can be flattened as well. So now we can take these if we want, and we can start building boxes and storing them in a plastic tub or a container so that when you need a box in a hurry, you can simply pull it out. So we're going to keep this very, very simple. I have two pieces. I have one that measures 10 by 9 and one that measures 10 1/8 by 9 1/8. We are going to score these at 2 inches on all four sides. So we score both at 2 inches on all four sides. So then we are going to fold and burnish all of our scores, and let's make sure that we give it a nice crisp burnishing. All right, so what I've done is I have gone to each intersecting point and I have just highlighted it with a mark. And what we're going to do, y'all, is going to be very simple. So when you're holding this piece up like this, we're going to go ahead and just place our hand right here in the middle and just start folding this way. That line is naturally going to want to bend. Then take your finger, go into where I made that point, and just make sure you have a nice crease there. Then you want to bring this piece over to where it meets the end piece here. You see how that is? And once you have it, you're going to go on the inside and just crease that fold. So then when you're doing the other side, you want to make sure the sides that you're doing meet each other this way. So now I'm going to take this piece, I'll hold this way and just start bending over. I can go in the middle with that point, and then I'm just going to take this piece and we bring it right there to the edge. Now I can go in and pinch. And you see how that is? That's the start of a flat fold box. Now I'm going to turn it to this side and we do the same thing. So let's stand this piece up. Let's go ahead and grab it in the middle and start teaching this to fold in this direction. It naturally wants to do it. Then go in the corner, make sure you have that little pinch point right there. And then let's just fold over until we get to this point, like that, and pinch if you want. Then I'm just going to crease. Let's do the same thing here. We're going to take this piece and just start bending in, and it will want to meet this section here. Let's go ahead and let it do that. We can hold it and pinch. That is how we do it. That is our flat fold box. Let's go ahead and do it again with this piece. So we're going to take this piece, stand it up, and just start bringing it forward this way. And we let it meet this part. And then you can just go in and pinch that crease. Let's do it here. Let's just hold it and start bringing it over this way. Until it wants to meet our crease. Then we can go in right in here and pinch. Let's do the same thing on this side. Just lift it up from this end and start bending it in and just working it until it meets the end here. And then just go in and pinch. Then we do the same thing here. Just going to make sure that I go into that pinch point, having it nice, tight, and crisp. And then I'll start folding over until we have it like this. Making sure it's end to end, and when it is, we can go in and pinch. So that is how we make our flat fold markings. Now I'm going to take my finger blade. We'll go ahead and open this because now we want to cut down in this direction. So if your flat folds are going this way, you want to cut in this direction. Turn it around. My flat folds are going this way. I need to cut in this direction. So I'm going to take my finger blade, cut down, let's angle, cut down, let's angle, cut down, let's angle, cut down, let's angle. Do the same thing here. So I'll flatten this out. My flat fold is going this way. So I need to cut down this way. If you cut this way, you're going to interfere with folding that box flat. So whatever direction those flat folds are going, if they're going this way, you need to cut straight down this way on your score marks. So I'm just going to cut straight down and angle. Cut straight down and angle. I'll turn it around. You can see that my flat folds are going this way. I'll cut straight down and I will angle. So once you make those first two cuts here, the other two cuts are going to follow that direction. So now, y'all, we can put our flat fold box together. I am going to take my glue, add some glue. I'll take my piece and just smush it around in the glue. Then I'll make sure that my corners are nice, tight, and crisp. And we'll do the same thing here. We want to get those nice, tight, and crisp corners. Go in with my bone folder. Let's do it here. Place our glue. Place our glue. And place and join these together, getting them nice, tight, and crisp. So let's go in, smooth it out. Let's do this piece. Let's add our glue here. Go ahead and join those corners, getting them nice and even, tight and crisp. Same thing here. Let's go in, get that stuck. Add our glue. Do the same thing here, just sort of smush it around. All right, so our boxes are finished, and here's the technique for flat folding. You just take them, squeeze them in, squeeze them in. Squeeze them in, squeeze them in. And there we have a wonderful flat fold box. So when you're ready to put your box together, just take it, just sort of bend your folds in the opposite direction. I used a very medium weight, a light to medium weight paper for this, but now I can take my bone folder and I am going to go in and just sort of iron that a little bit. And now we can take our lid, put it on, and we have a box that's ready to fill and ready to present to whomever we are giving it to. Or if you want to get ahead on your prepping game, go ahead and just make up a whole bunch of these boxes and let's store them flat and let's pull them out whenever we need a box. No more going to the store to buy a box. No more when you're in the store at Christmas time buying items and asking the clerk or going back to customer service to get some boxes. No more of that. If you're going to be making your own flat fold boxes from now on, leave me a blue heart in the comment section because I know that you are. This super easy process is the way to do it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this very quick video on how to make your own flat fold boxes. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. If you want to learn old school style paper crafting techniques, this is the channel for you. So please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video. As always, my beautiful friends, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.